wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past. She tell me she just want a real man. Tell me she just want a real man. She just wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past.
Hey guys, today me and Amy are going to show you guys how we do our eyelash extensions by ourselves at home. Really simple, really easy, really cheap, you know. So we're going to show you guys two ways on how to do them. One way is a little bit more tedious and the other way is a little bit less tedious. But
one way does last longer and the other one doesn't last as long.
Yeah, so really it's just
your preference.
Yeah. We're going to show you guys everything that we use and everything like that. So
okay, so for the tedious method, which is the way that I'm going to show you guys, I just use these Ardell double ups individual eyelash extensions. I got them in the long just because I wanted them long. And then also you would need the Ardell or just any like well, my favorite one is just any lash glue, but my favorite one is the dark adhesive Ardell, just because it lasts a long time and it's fast drying and it blends in with my eyelashes. And lastly, you need some tweezers. I got these like eyebrow shaping tweezers, but they're perfect for like placing the eyelash extension where you need it to go. So and then for the way that I'm going to show you guys, how to use really big lashes or strip lashes. I'm going to show you guys how to use strip lashes. So I'm going to be using these lashes by Kiss, and these are in the So Wispy design or whatever. Scissors to cut the lashes, and then of course some tweezers as well to place the lashes as well. So pretty simple. And also you would lastly need some more glue. Whatever glue you want to use, doesn't matter, but we feel like the strip glue doesn't last as long as the glue for individuals, just because strip glue you can pull them off like
that's how they're made.
Yeah, they're made to be pulled off daily.
I guess what I do first is take the lashes off. Try not to ruin the lashes, of course. So this is the shortest side and this is the longest side. So I want the shortest side on my inner corner, so I know this is for this eye. And then I'll place it. So right now I'm just placing this lash and seeing if I need to cut it or anything. So the way I do my lashes, I do them underneath. So you could do them on top if you want, but I feel like it looks more natural and more seamless underneath, and it lasts longer underneath as well. Definitely need to cut these a little bit, and I like to cut them from the shortest side first, or the shortest side, because I like my lashes to be as long as possible. So I'm going to cut about this much. And now let's see how it is. So that's perfect. If you want to leave them like this, you can, but I'm not going to be leaving like this because I know it's harder to do it. It's harder to put a full strip of lash underneath your lash line because sometimes it's not angled the right way and you just get frustrated, like me. So I'm going to be cutting these to 3. This is from shortest to longest. You can do more pieces if you want, but then at that point you might as well go with the individuals if you're going to do smaller pieces, or you can make individuals yourself. Now I'm going to grab this glue. That's why this is there, and we're just going to pour a nice line. You don't need a lot of glue at all because this stuff dries up pretty quick. So I'm going to start from the inner corner first. So I'll take this one, position it however you're going to hold it when you put it on, and then you got to put it on top of the lash line. So that's much. Make sure you get the corner too. You don't want to put too much and you don't want to put too little. You want to keep your eye open as long as possible so that it can dry on your eyes, you know. But you don't want to put it too far down under, unless your eye is going to start burning and your eyes will water, and it'll just make it more difficult. When you blink, if you feel it, then you want to redo it because you'll feel it all day long. And that's nice thin layers, all you need. You don't need a lot because you know, the more you put, it's just going to be the longer it takes to dry. I don't think putting extra glue will make them last longer. Do you think that?
No.
Boom, when are you done, guys?
And how long did that take about?
I say that took about 5 minutes. What would you say?
Yeah, for one eye.
One eye took 5 minutes to do. You just want to let it dry with your eyes open so that it stays in place and so that your lashes won't move. But just make sure that it's placed right. After a while, like, kind of move your eyes. And if you don't feel anything, then you did it right. And I did it right. These are really natural lashes.
And the fact that they're on the bottom takes away from its full length. So if you do on the bottom, we suggest if you like them long, then get long lashes, longer lashes than normal.
Because you guys can tell, like, this looks a little bit thicker than this because it's on the bottom. And if I was to put these on top, you would see a difference. The top way would look like it's more like a different lash because it's on the top.
It's more seamless this way.
Yeah. So before and after, we don't even use mascara because we feel like we don't need mascara to make our lashes blend with it, you know. But I like the natural look. It's like really subtle.
As you can tell, it's there.
Yeah. So now I'm going to do the other side and show you guys the finished results. But now we're going to get into Naomi's.
So guys, the first thing I'm doing is going to place about 5. Well, just probably more than 5. Just place them out so that I'm ready to grab them. So I'm going to look at how I'm going to place them before I start doing it, just so I get a good feel of, you know, going back and forth with the lash. Okay guys, so the pattern that I like to follow is middle, right, left, just so that I have time for them to dry as I'm placing them down. So you'll see me do that pattern. I'm just gonna get straight to it. Making sure to place the glue on the inner lash, not the outer lash. Happens all the time where it like comes off with it. You just gotta keep going and keep trying to. That means you didn't wait long enough for it to dry, so next time just wait a little bit longer to dry. You guys can clearly tell how this way is more tedious and time consuming because it's like you're laying it down individually on there and making sure that it's how you want it. So one more in here. This is how it looks. Yes, a little different. I could go in some more and fill it in if I wanted to, or I could fill it some more in on this side or even in the inner corner, but I don't like to fill my lashes every time. That's when I'm doing that. So this is probably how I'm going to do it for the other side as well. I have 2 more from the top row left, so I used probably about 15 lashes. I don't know how many was on the top row, but I used a lot. It's more tedious and more time consuming, but it's definitely worth it.
How long would you take this back?
Maybe almost 10 minutes, maybe. What do you think?
I think 10 minutes too.
So yeah, it's about double the time, just because you're placing one individually on there. We'll come back to you guys when we finish our next eyes and show you guys the finished products. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all already know the vibes. But we just finished our lashes and we think that they look. Y'all tell us how it looks, right? Just kidding, but they look good. Y'all want up close personal? We'll show y'all up close personal. So this was a strip lash. Wait, come this way because it's like you need some more light, you feel me? Those looking like extensions to me, huh? Yes, sir. So then from the side, you see it. You see it. Nail or eyelash tech. Who?
Yes, sir. Good. Oh, look up. Look up at it. Look up at the camera. So these are the individuals. Y'all already know. Look like eyelash extensions. So if y'all looking for an inexpensive way to get your eyelashes done, but you know, do it yourself. Everything that they do, you can do, as long as just take some practice and a little bit of errors and mistakes, but just keep trying to go for it and you guys will nail all that. Like,
save some money, save the coins, spend it on some investments, not, you know, like, it's good to give to the community, but at the end of the day, we want to save our money. Like, people are raising the prices on us and we know it's not worth the price, if that makes sense. So yeah. Save your money, guys. Save your money.
Try and do it yourself.
Don't be lazy. Do it yourself.
Alright guys, so that is the end of our video for today. We hope you guys learned something from our video and hope you guys, you know, just enjoyed watching our video.
And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified for whenever me and Joni post.
And stay tuned for more videos. Bye!